Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty, one product at a time. If you're on the hunt for a powder that promises a flawless matte finish without the wait, you might want to hear about the KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder. This product is designed to control shine, provide a soft matte finish, and give you that smooth, airbrushed look all day long. Let's see if it lives up to the claims. The KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder is a lightweight setting powder that promises to lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear. Available in a variety of shades, I'm testing out color 07 Banana, which is designed to brighten and correct under-eye circles while keeping everything in place. With its loose form and practical sifter, it ensures you get just the right amount of powder without any waste. The formula is ideal for normal skin types, offering a matte finish that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Now, let's talk about how this product performed in real life. I tested it both during my usual morning routine and through a full day of wear, and here's what I found. First, the powder itself has a silky texture that feels smooth and blends effortlessly into the skin. The sifter mechanism worked really well, giving just the right amount of product without the mess. I applied it over foundation, and it immediately set everything into place, leaving a soft matte finish. What I loved most was that it didn't settle into fine lines or create that cakey look some powders tend to do. Throughout the day, I noticed my makeup stayed in place, no blotting needed. I have to say, for a powder that promises long-lasting wear, this one definitely delivered. However, there were a couple of small things worth noting. The shade, while perfect for brightening, might be a bit too light for deeper skin tones, and I found that if you're not careful, it can look a little too powdery. But with the right application technique, this can be avoided. As for value for money, considering the quality of the powder and its lasting power, I think the price is reasonable. You're getting a high-performing product that competes with some of the higher-end loose powders on the market. It doesn't break the bank, yet it does the job, leaving your makeup looking fresh and matte all day. When comparing this to other setting powders out there, it's certainly a solid option. It may not have the same luxurious feel as some high-end brands, but for a drugstore alternative, it really holds its ground in terms of performance. You get a matte finish without the heavy feel, and it's priced quite competitively. On the build quality front, the packaging is simple but effective. The sifter inside ensures minimal product wastage, which is a huge plus for me. It also has a decent lifespan, with the powder lasting throughout the day without the need for touch-ups, which is exactly what you want from a setting powder. If you're in need of an alternative that's more budget-friendly, there are a few options worth considering. However, most other powders in this price range won't offer the same matte finish or longevity as the KIKO Milano. So, if you're after a loose powder that works and doesn't cost a fortune, this is definitely a strong contender. So, what's the final verdict? The KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a light, long-lasting matte finish without splurging on high-end products. Its easy-to-use packaging, smooth texture, and lasting power make it an excellent addition to any makeup bag. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep creating these honest, in-depth reviews. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this powder, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Do you think it's a must-have, or have you found something better? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.